Hey guys, my name is Freedom. I just made these physics 3D models for you. Now you can see by clicking the angle, once you adjust it, it is going to show you all of the vectors of the force, like the W equal mg, the weight, the maximum static frictions, and also the W sine theta and the normal force, and everything will just follow exactly the physics rule. And now you can see for a certain angle, like this, it is going to just let the W sine theta bigger than the maximum static force, then it is going to just slide down. Alright, then what about if you go through a certain angle, which W sine theta is just smaller than the static friction, it won't move. And if you want to see the free fall, then you can just move this to negative 90. Then you can see the free fall without the frictions. Alright, at the same time, if you want to change the mu, the value of mu, you have to click the box and just go to the physics. The mu, the coefficient of the static friction is at here. Here I just put 0.61, and you can change the value if you don't want 0.61, and everything will just simulate and follow the real life physics. You can get this 3D model, this Blender project file, just from my video description. Click into the link and get it, and wish you to have fun with this old school physics concepts. Now it really become a 3D project in Blender that created by me, and enjoy. And that's all. See you.